Yo guys, Never Surrender here from NS Audio, and last week I dropped the Hardstyle Mainstage VOL1. First of all, thanks a lot for all the amazing response. Great response on the presets, on the 5 tutorial videos, on the project file. Really happy to hear that. That's my goal. Here's a small teaser. This is the project that's in the pack. I created this track in I think 1 or 2 hours with presets only from the pack, and this whole track is recorded how I created it. Also, that video is in the pack. Enjoy it. Again, it's just a demo, not a perfect track, but I think you will learn from it. Well guys, enjoy the pack. If you do not have the pack, make sure to check it out. Everything you just heard is inside. This whole track is created live with a tutorial video of more than 1 hour, maybe 1.5 or something, I don't know anymore. But have fun, thanks for all the great response, and have a good weekend.